Well, we're here to honor each and every last one of you. So the first thing I want us to do is give yourself a clap to say, I am great. You are great. And you did a fantastic job on your report card last market period. You got straight A's or all E's or A's and B's. You did a job well done. So, they say, a lot of you are trying your best. You go home, you do your homework, you study, you participate in class. And when you put forth good effort, then you will succeed. And because you succeeded and did so well, we want to celebrate you. So we want to say how well you did, how proud of you we are, and we're going to say congratulations. So we're going to start with the students who received all A's on their report card. For the students who received all A's on their report card. So when you get your name called, or you hear your name called, I want you to come up these stairs here, and then Dr. Christian's going to give you your certificate. You're going to go down the stairs to your left and have a seat, okay? And the thing is, we want to be respectful so everyone gets to hear their name. So no talking, please, and thank you. All right, so let's start this off with Joshua Morales. Yay, Joshua. Giovanna Ramos. Corinne Wagner. Akshara Sue Lee. Jeff Arshan. Shariar. Isaac Davis. Some of those students were my students who had all A's and my former students, so I would like to say congratulations to me too. Now we're going to do the A and B honor roll. And like I said, the A and B honor roll is just as good as all A's because you still did a spectacular job, okay? So we're proud of you, Dr. Christian, your teachers, Mrs. Avery, Mommy and Daddy. All right, so Khadija Anwar, come on, Dad. Kylie Korea. Cesar Cortez. Amy Cruz. Leah Hernandez. Yaelin Molinares. Annalise Serrano. Mishra Zaman. Ashraf Arbian. Islam Hakeem. Joe Louis. Pushpa. Yeah, I'm happy for everybody, but you see I'm a little biased when it comes to my students. Sandra Teal. Lucas Poole. Gianna Gito. Gianna. It says most Fatima. Jasmine. Camila Marino. Olivia Blanco. Sahar Suha. Alina and Amar Chaudhary. Safia Rahman. Victor Teal. Iham Lee. Coleman. Jorge. Alan Miguel. Annabella Garcia. Mohammed Hayder. Jubair Hassan. Alejandra Hernandez. Christian Herr. Khan. Remember, everyone likes to hear their name. Marjorie Mina. Jeremy Mandragot. Darrell Menua. Jamal Moore. Yvonne Solano. Yvonne. Evan. Even, I'm sorry, come on down. I'm sorry, is Sophia here? Okay. Alicia Ashford. Wadi Ahmed. Nicole Hernandez. Liam Hernandez. Mateo Yahir Vilaya. Annabella Rafiki. Natalie Ramirez. Reyes. We have a Christian Reyes. Arabella Soto. Genesis, is that there?
No, este es la tuya.
Genesis here? Peter Velasco? Mahira Garland? Lipsy Zelaya? Is Lipsy here?
Yes.
Okay, if we can stop, look, listen. Again, I want to tell you all that we are very proud of you. From the principal to the vice principal, to the security, to the nurse, to the guidance, to all the teachers, to the custodians, to the cafeteria workers. We are all extremely proud of you. We want to tell you job well done and keep up the good work. So you know that your report cards will be coming out again in February. Raise your hand if I see you in here again in a couple of months. All right, that's right. Put your hand up. Good job, guys. And may your parents be happy for you. Have a great day.
Boys and girls, wait a minute. Before you guys all run out of here, get back to your studies. One more time, I want everybody to give me a big hooray. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Nyla, is Nyla here? Nyla?
One more, Miss Muhammad.
Wait a minute. Nyla, sit down.
Oh, sit there. We gotta get somebody
We got one more.
Nyla, did you get called? Come on, Nyla. Come on, Nyla.
Nyla, now.
Nyla and
Hi, girlfriend. Woo-hoo. Yeah.
let's give Naila a round of applause. If every soul sitting in this auditorium receive a certificate, now it's time for you to go back and do what you do best. Learn.
Yay.
Fifth grade